subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi, this is Reina Pandit and we are doing What's in My Bag. And welcome to my set. ये कुमकुम भाग्य वाला रूम है. यहाँ पर मैं आलिया बनती हूँ from रहना.
Actor Reina Pandit, who is currently seen in Zee TV show Kumkum Bhagya, chatted with us recently, and here we decided to take a peek inside her bag. So without any further ado, let's begin.
So let's check out what's in my bag today. There is a perfume. There is hand sanitizer. जो आज we need hand sanitizers. And then I have a wallet. I have a sanitary pad. I guess every girl should have a sanitary napkin for herself and for her colleagues. I guess this is really important as hygiene is the topmost priority for the ladies. And then I have a mask because this is the new normal. And I have a gloss. Then I have a marker because मुझे कोई भी चीज़ अगर मेमोराइज या याद करनी होती है तो मैं उसे मार्क कर देती हूँ तो वो छप जाती है मेरे दिमाग के अंदर. So that's why I have a marker. And then I have a lip balm, Vicks inhaler, because आजकल I have seen, I guess many people must have realized that there is something in the air and आपका नाक हमेशा block होता रहता है. So that's why I have a Vicks inhaler nowadays. And then I have a hair clutcher. And then I have one piece because sometimes यहाँ से हमें कहीं अगर किसी दोस्त से मिलना है या कुछ काम है तो I usually mostly wear a white shirt to work or any plain outfit. So this golden choker goes on any outfit. So it just gives a very nice party look. So I'm always ready to meet friends or to go out. और बाकी सब वही same repeat है. And then I guess I should have my house keys and go.
After taking a peek, we asked her some questions about her bag, and here they are. What does your bag tell about you as a person?
Comfortable because as you can see that I always carry a backpack. तो मुझे नहीं पसंद है कि एक ही वो जो स्विंग होती है क्योंकि मेरे कंधे दर्द like they start hurting because I also work out. So I think these are the most convenient thing that bag designers have invented. I love backpacks and I love comfort.
If you had to carry one thing to an island from your bag, what would it be?
A sunscreen. Yeah, it's not there, but I would carry a sunscreen. Other than, if not a sunscreen, then yes, because island mein to I will need to look a little blingy, right? So something to bling it on.
Things that are of no use in your bag but are still there.
That are still there. I don't have anything that is of no use, but yes, there are these beads. I don't know why it was there, but yeah.
One thing you would like to gift your fans from your bag?
Nothing, but fine. Perfume because it's a small one and I can do without this. So I'll give a perfume.
Are you someone who has a bag fetish?
No, I'm not fetish about anything.
According to you, your 3 most essential things in your bag?
A perfume, a mask right now, and a sanitary pad.
If you get a chance to invade someone's bag, who would it be?
I would love to see Krishna's bag because he carries a big backpack. I don't know why. Being a boy, I think he carries the biggest bag I've ever seen anyone carry.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Rihanna. If you did, do comment and tell us your favorite thing from her bag. And don't forget to subscribe to India Forums. Ashima Chavra, camera person Dipesh, India Forums, Mumbai.